Hi, good day, good afternoon, good morning, depending on where you're watching us from. I'm Bright. Today I'll be teaching us. A lot of people has been asking me how did I do my mock-ups, how did I mock up file, how did I mock up job after design. So today I'll be teaching us how to mock up a file. This is my Photoshop interface, which I use for design also, and I use CorelDRAW also. I just finished some jobs on CorelDRAW. Yeah, I just finished some jobs on CorelDRAW. Not quite long, but today I want to drop into mockup file. So this is my interface. This is my Photoshop. So what am I going to do? I'll go to my mockup folder. So this is what I'm going to use. These are the mockup I'm going to use for my mockup. So this is a folder where I save some mockup. So and before you can use any mockup, when you download it online from, you can buy it online, you can download for free, you can buy online too. So some of my mockup is being, I bought them, some of them I got them online. So what am I going to do? When I download, I have to unzip this already. I will unzip this, so I have to unzip before I will have access to use it. So this is my folder. I click on it. So I choose the kind of mockup I want to use. First of all, I need to mock up the folder, the front cover of the magazine. So I'll double click on the first brochure, double click it. It will automatically open on Photoshop because it's a Photoshop file. So what I'm going to do is you check at your right hand side parts where my cursor is, where my mouse is. You can see where I'm touching. You can see it. I hope you can see it. So I double click on it. This is a layer. It will take me, you can see what happened when I double click on it. When I double click on it, it take me to another layer. So this is the another layer that it brought me now, where I can insert my design. So I go back to my folder where I want to pick the design I make. So I'm going to pick the cover, go up. Okay, this is the cover. So I pick the cover. I drag it to my Photoshop direct. I'm using CS6, but I'm pronouncing it as Photoshop so that everybody will have an understanding where it will be in the same page. So this is my Photoshop, and it's also called CS6. Okay, then I drag it here, hold down my shift so that it will be at the center. It will land at the center part. Okay, then I hold down my shift and my alt for them to, I want to blow them at once together. Okay, then I enter. Don't forget, I have to delete the, the second layer. You can leave it, you can still delete it, but for me I do delete, then Control S. Why did I press Control S? It's for it to save and replicate to the original mockup file, which is this. Ta-da! You can see we have mock up this already. Then I reduce the parts, the sides. Good. Then I scroll down. This is the mockup file itself on what I'm working. If I should blind it, it will, the main job will not be there. Do I have to unblind it? Then when I click on the arrow facing here, it will be it will, it will open up a dialog box below that has other effects to it. So click on it, I will see other effects. When I click on, then this is, I can change the background of the interface of the mockup. I can change. Okay, after this, so what am I going to do? I click OK, then I hold down my Control Shift S, then save as. My Control and Shift S is to save as. Then I go to, let's go to the documents. Let's save it in document. I go, and don't forget, before you save on Photoshop, before you save the mockup or whatever you're doing, you go to JPEG. See JPEG, click on JPEG. Then I'll change it, the name to magazine. magazine. Okay, save. You see, I've saved that already. It's already saved. So let's go back to document so that we'll view what we did, so that you see what I did. Okay, then I go back to documents where I save it, and you see it there. Double click on it, and I double click on it. You see, the mockup file is already there. So what am I going to do next? Then let's do the center spread. Center spread. So this I can also do for the cover again. This we are having two covers here, so I choose. Okay, let's do the second cover part. Okay, this is the second cover. I feel this will be lovely. So okay, then don't forget to double click on it to push it to give you an access for you to place whatever thing you brought to the layer. Okay, I drag this to the layer, it will land. Then I delete these parts, delete the first, and then I click, then Ctrl S to save. That it will reflect on the main mockup part. You see it? Then I scroll down. Don't forget what I told you. You scroll down, you check the folder. This is the folder. Scroll down, then this is the background. You can change the color, then after that, then I reduce it a bit so that it will be more presentable. Okay, to save. Then my Ctrl Shift S to save as. Then I save as JPEG. Then magazine. Good. Save as. We're good to go. We're saved. It's saved already. So I go back to the other mockup. Then let's do the center spray. Then double click on the center spray. Don't forget, when you double click on the Photoshop icon, this alone, this is representing this. This is representing this. This mockup file is representing this. So don't feel like, okay, this is representing this. No. Some mockup folder, it comes in different arrangements, but this represent this. This represent this. This represent this. So when I double click on this is what I'm expecting for it to open. So I'll go back to my Photoshop. It's open. Then I delete the other one that I've used. I don't need them again. I don't need them. Close. I don't need them. Close. So what am I going to do? I'm going to look for a center spread part, which is, let's say maybe 8. Let's see, maybe, okay, let's just look for something that will look more catchy. So this is our left. You understand? Then this is our right. So then when I double click on the left, on the layer, it will take me to another layer where I can insert my design. Then I go back to my design. Then I pick, let's pick 4 and 6. Let's pick this. Then insert this. This should be 4, I guess. Let's blow it. Okay, this is 4 and right. Then I delete this layer. You can equally leave it. Okay, let's leave it. Then Ctrl S. Ta-da! It has saved on the mockup. Then let's mock up this part. You can see this part. Then double click on the right page. When you double click it, will take you to the layer. Then I go back to my design, pick this, then insert it, pap, then enlarge it all together. That is my shift and my alt for them to move together. Then I can equally delete the layer 2, or leave it. Me, I do delete. I delete it. Control S. Then go back to my mockup folder. Pop. You see, it's done. Then I scroll down. I increase the background. I want it more darker so that the design will shoot out well. Pop. So I hold down my Control Shift S to save. Good. Go to my document. Then I go to save as type. Go to JPEG. Don't forget JPEG. Then Maxine. I save it this way so that I don't want the name to be duplicated. So save. Then this the quality, you can reduce it. For me, I use maximum so that for it to be more sharper and clear. Okay, good. Let's go back to our document to view what we did. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Then I view it. Let's wait for it. Good. So this is the center spread. This is the cover. This is also the cover. This is also the cover. So thank you so much. I'm grateful, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comments, leave a comment wherever place you don't understand. Drop a comment section. Drop your questions at the comment section. I will try all I can to respond to all messages, to all comments. And don't forget to share to your loved ones. Share to someone that wants to learn. This knowledge is no knowledge is wasted. So share to your loved ones, your friends, and you can equally learn more tricks with Photoshop and CorelDRAW. Thank you. See you next time.